Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be demonstrating what I do to hack the Febreze kind of recipe. I'm trying to ditch all the chemicals out of my life, so this is what I do to make a room spray that is chemical free. So I bought these bottles at Walmart. They're like $1, maybe $1.97. They're plastic though, so you have to be careful which essential oils you use. So I can't use any citrus oils because these are plastic. Citrus oils will leach and eat your plastics, so you don't want to use those. Other thing is 100 proof vodka. It must be at least 100 proof or higher. This combines with the oils to help the smell like linger longer. Like the molecules bind. A bunch of science stuff there. Distilled water. It's going to be like a 3-to-1 ratio between the vodka and the distilled water. And then whatever essential oils you choose. Today we are going to be using peppermint, eucalyptus, and purification. And it's real easy once you get it all set up. I'm not good with measurements. Y'all know me. I just eyeball these measurements. So I'm going to do about 3/4 of the way with the vodka. And you just pour it into your bottle. Like so. No, I'm not holding this the right way. And then once I get my vodka to the level that I want it at, that's about right. Then I like to add my essential oils so they can mix in with the vodka. It's really just to your preference of smell, how strong you want the smell. I'm going to add at least 20 drops each. We have an athlete in the house, so I might add a little more purification. That's one of the odor eating oils anyways. But we'll see how it turns out. Doesn't matter what order you put them in. No special science to that. And then I give it a little swirl. It starts to turn cloudy. That's how you know it's mixing up with that. It's a little light for my taste, so I'm going to put a little bit more of the oils in. The mix I'm using is just a 1-to-1 ratio of all of them. You can add more or less to your liking. Again, if I had glass bottles, I could use the citrus oils. Glass bottles are more expensive though. So. That's better. And then I'm just going to fill it the rest of the way up with distilled water. I apologize if you can hear my son laughing in the background. And then you have your room spray. What you do need to remember though is that oil and water doesn't mix. So you will see them kind of separate out. Every time you use it, I just give it a little shake before I use it, and then when it's on spray, have it open. There it goes. And it sprays. I find these last a lot longer than the Febreze anyways, and I have an athlete in the house, so we spray her shoes and stuff down with this. Gym bags, backpacks, teenagers' rooms. It's great for everything. Use it for whatever you'd use Febreze on. Thank you guys for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.